This video covers the setup of two example databases, Video and Chinook. Open your Postgres server you set up from last week. Now open your DB Forge Studio and connect to the server. Notice the green plugin. Open the SQL editor. And type in the Postgres keywords create database and the name of the database or the identifier, video. Notice I typed the keywords in uppercase, I typed the identifier in lowercase. You should note that in the Chapter 2 PowerPoint. I'll end the command with a semicolon. To run the command, you can use the F5 on your keyboard, or you can click the execute link to the top left. When complete, it should say at the bottom, query executed successfully. To verify the command worked, we can refresh. If you right-click on the left side, postgres.local, and click refresh, you should note video database has been created. Now we need to open a SQL editor on the video database and input our example code. On the left side, right-click video, click New SQL. You should notice in the top center the database should show video. As you mouse over the SQL 1 tab, you should see localhost.video. Now I'll go to Canvas. I'll go to week 2. I will open up the video database code link. I will download the text file. I will navigate to my downloads folder. Open the text file. I will select everything inside the text. I will copy the text. And I will paste it into my SQL editor. You may now hit F5 to execute. When finished, it should say query executed successfully. On the left side, we should be able to expand out our video database, expand out public, expand out tables, and we should see 4 tables created. We can now move on and install the Chinook database. It is a little bit larger and has an automated script to to install it. So we will go back to Canvas. And we will download the following two links: the Chinook DB code and the Chinook DB batch script. Once both files are downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. One file needs to be renamed, the one with the .bad extension on the end. Simply remove the .bad and accept the warning. Now we will select, I'll use my control key and select the bat file and SQL file. I will right click and cut those. I'll navigate to my Postgres server folder. We'll open up the app subfolder. We will open up the PG SQL. We'll right click on bin and select paste. We will now open the bin folder. We will hold down the Shift key on the keyboard. I will right click in a white area on the screen. And you should have Open with PowerShell or Open with Command Prompt. When that launches, you will notice you're in the folder of your Postgres server all the way to the bin folder. We're going to type in the create Postgres SQL file name. And hit enter. If you have an error, hit the up arrow key and try using your tab key for auto-completion. It will add a period backslash in front of the file name, and it will also auto-complete out the .bat at the end. Try hitting enter again. It gives us a menu option. We'll want to select number 1. After a few moments, the command prompt will be returned, and we are probably done with this window, so we can type in exit. I will go back to my DB Forge Studio. I will right click on Postgres.localhost and refresh. You should see Chinook has been created. If we expand it out and go under Public and go under Tables, we'll see a list of tables as you see in this video. If everything is correct, you may close out of your DB Forge Studio for this week. And you can safely shut down the server with the \Q.